Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install VLC media player on your Windows 11 operating system. So first of all, what is VLC media player? So VLC media player is a free and open source portable cross-platform media player software, right? Using which you can play videos or audios on your Windows 11 operating system. Not even that, you can convert one video format to another format, and it has many more features, right? So let's see how we can install it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for VLC media player, and the first link which will appear here will be from videoland.org. So I'm going to just click on this link, and once this website is open, which is videoland.org, you will be able to see this download VLC button. When you click on this arrow button, you can also select specifically for which Windows operating system you want to download the VLC player. So I will choose Windows 64-bit option here, and then it's going to start the download of this vlc.exe file. So just wait for the download to complete. So once this exe file is downloaded, I'm going to just click on this exe file and I'm going to minimize the browser. And here, first of all, you need to click on yes here, which is going to start the installation of VLC media player. So here you can select your language. I will leave it as default, but you are free to choose the language in which you want to install VLC media player, and then click on OK. And then on this next window, click on next, and then click on next, and then leave everything as default, and then click on next. And this will be the location where VLC media player will be installed. So if you don't have the good reason to change this location, just leave it as default and then click on install, which is going to start the installation process. And the installation process is going to take few seconds, so it will be installed really fast. So just wait for a few seconds. And now I can see that VLC media player icon is created on my desktop, and I can also see that VLC media player is successfully installed on my Windows 11 operating system. On the last window, just leave this checkbox as checked. What it's going to do is when you click on finish button, it's going to launch the VLC media player. For the first time when you start VLC media player, it's going to show you this warning, which is privacy and network access policy warning. You just need to click on continue here, and then you can start using VLC media player on your Windows 11 operating system. So let me open some video file using VLC media player. I'm going to click on media option here and then click on open file. And from here I can choose any file. So on my PC, in my videos folder, I have the sample.mp4 file. So I'm going to select this. And when I select this, it's going to play this on my Windows 11 operating system. So this is how you can download and install VLC media player on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.